out of the 210 at Yale, and hopefully someone's outside with the horse. Apparently there was a rig that pulled over to try to help get the horse. It's just all coming in right now, so just be careful. Eastbound side of the 210 at Yarnell. We actually even had a rabbit running around the center divider on the eastbound 101 at Laurel. Gosh, my heart's just pounding here. This is so sad with these animals. Westbound 91, what a chase we had this morning. Just a terrible pursuit in the sense that it was just so scary for people driving on the freeways. I hope nobody got hurt. There were some people that got hit, but the cars, but I think everybody's okay. Westbound side of the 91 still has the carpool and 2 left lanes blocked. That's before Paramount as the investigation is ongoing. The car is still there on the freeway. I don't know. There's about 7 miles of slowing right now. I'm looking at it right now. It's got to be 7 or 8 miles of slowing coming out of Beta Park. Don't jump on the 91 West. You'll just be miserable. Your hair out. Jump up to Alondra, take that Silver Street westbound. That's good. Artesia is a little heavy. You could even go down to South Street, take that westbound. The eastbound side has the investigation ongoing as well. The freeway, so there's some right shoulder activity there, and that's got you backed up on that eastbound 91 all the way to the 710. There's a box truck I want to tell you about that's conked out on the northbound 101 right at 1st Street in the heart of downtown, and that's really backing things up from the East LA interchange on that North 101, and the North 5 is also not a great alternative. You're going to choose that to get up to East LA. It's also very heavy. It's Glendale. Renovation, demolition, DIY project. Try a dumpster bag from Yellow Sack. Yellow Sack makes wood removal easy, less mess, space-friendly, budget-friendly. Go to yellowsack.com or call 833-3YELLOW, 833-393-5569, and have Yellow Sack delivered to your door. Our next report is at 9:25 from the Puente Hill Sunday 24-hour traffic center.
Mostly dry conditions with a slow warm-up as we head into the next few days. We'll wake up to mostly clear skies, a few clouds here and there, but then by the afternoon, get ready for a little bit more of that sea breeze to push back in. 79 for the beaches in Orange County, mid-90s for the valleys, low 90s for the Inland Empire, 95 for the high deserts, 74 for the mountains. With Southern California's most accurate and dependable forecast, I'm CBS 2 meteorologist Amber Lee for KNX News 97.1 FM.
Fullerton right now 67, 68 Burbank, 65 sunny Civic Center downtown LA at 9:18.
He's saying he loves me not. Apparently he loves them again. There is a report this morning that Elon Musk is planning to go ahead with that Twitter deal after all. Bloomberg out with a report on the news, on the report, Twitter pops. Twitter shares just popped. The stock line, if you look at it straight up, 15% just jumped. And that had trading stopped for a short time. According to the report, this deal would be for the original offer price of $54.20 a share. So more on that as we get it.
California is just days into a new water year, and the one that just ended was frustratingly dry.
Department of Water Resources Drought Manager Janine Jones says it's our collective mindset.
We can't just continue thinking of drought as something that happens occasionally and we go about our normal way.